It's time for the final construction update at the dealership. Starting on the outside, you can see we've updated the exterior as well as the signs. You can clearly see the quick lane and service departments now, and we've got a new shiny pillar sign as well. Coming into our showroom, our sales offices have been turned into comfortable customer areas where our sales team can go over all your vehicle needs and orders. We've also updated our reception desk to be front and center to help you with anything you need when you walk in. Our parts department is slowly getting more stock out on the floor for you to check out as well. Moving through our waiting area, we have lots of seating for you to wait for your vehicle comfortably. We also have a refreshment and snack bar while you wait. Moving into service, our service advisors are here to help you with updated counters and desks. Moving through the bay to quick lane, you can watch through the glass window behind the desk to check out the techs working on your vehicle. Relax in our separate quick lane waiting area with its own coffee station. Our team is here to help you with anything you're needing. Contact us today and book your vehicle into the shop. We hope to see you soon.